To make this mask, take 1/2 banana, cut it into cubes, and smash it to a smooth fine paste. Now, take 1 teaspoon of milk, and 2 teaspoons of banana paste. Mix them together until smooth paste is formed. Gently apply it onto your face and neck with help of a brush, leave it for about 15 minutes. Then wash off with cool water. Do this daily for fresh, radiant and younger looking skin. Bananas contain super wrinkle fighting nutrients that helps fade age spots and prevent fine lines and wrinkles from forming. You will immediately feel the difference as your face will feel soft and well hydrated. You will get soft and supple skin instantly. Take a glass of water, and add about 1/2 cup of rice to it. Let the rice soak for 30 minutes. Swirl it around until the water turns cloudy, strain the water, and fill a spray bottle with it, using a narrow mouth container, or using a funnel. And your rice water toner is ready to use. Use this rice water to cleanse your face. Spray some water on your face. Then, rub a cotton ball or pad for a couple of minutes. Let your face air dry. With regular use you will notice your skin feeling soft, tight, and glowy. Use every day as part of your skincare routine. Take a potato, peel the skin, and grate it using a grater. Then, add grated potato in a mixer jar, add pomegranate seeds, and 1 tablespoon of water. Blend the mixture into juice, and add lemon juice. Pour the mixture in an ice cube tray, and freeze it. Once frozen, remove an ice cube tray from the freezer, and they are ready to use. Massage 2 or 3 ice cubes on your face in a circular motion. They will not only remove dark spots, but also helps to minimize large open pores, improves blood circulation on face giving it radiant natural glow. Take a fresh cucumber, and cut it into small cubes. Then put them in a mixer jar, and blend it to a juice. Strain the juice using a strainer. Then, squeeze out the juice from one of the lemon halves, and add it to the cucumber juice, along with 2 to 3 teaspoons of rose water. Mix them together, and transfer it in a spray bottle, using a narrow mouth container, or a funnel, so that the juice won't spill over, while transferring it to a bottle. And the toner is ready to use. Keep it in a refrigerator. You can use this toner as many times you want. Spray this on your face, and let it dry naturally. You can use this on your face, neck, back, and even on your hands and legs, but you have to be careful while spraying it on your face, so that it does not go into your eyes, as it contains lemon juice, which can cause irritation to your eyes. Rinse your face with water after 10 minutes of using cucumber toner. Then, apply a good moisturizer and leave it overnight. Do all the steps for 5 days and feel the difference. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.